Hi guys, this is Paul from Team Safehouse, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin's push to the upside and how our team called the move. Please note that this special episode of Victor's Kitchen was recorded just before yesterday's New York trading session. And if you'd like real-time market insights and access to our live trading sessions, be sure to get your 2-week free trial of Safehouse Vanguard now. Link in the description below. Over to you, Victor.
Let's get cooking.
Before you continue, please pause the video and read this trade disclaimer. None of the information contained here is financial advice. This is only for educational purposes.
All right, let's get started with the Bitcoin chart. As you know, we love technical analysis here at Safehouse, and we like to keep it simple, but very effective and consistent. So here on the right, we have a whole bunch of crazy news that are coming out today. Everybody's hyped. Everybody's like, oh my goodness, Bitcoin to the moon, Bitcoin to the moon. Bitcoin surges above 56K, warns of potential bearish signals. Bearish signals? Where? Did you see a bear walk by?
They say it really is a bear, standing on his hind legs and walking just as comfortably and smoothly as a person.
9-spot Bitcoin ETFs break all-time daily volume record. Well, I mean, they've only been around for a few weeks at the most. How is that even an achievement? I mean, it's nice, but you're comparing it to just a few weeks. So, you know, chill. And it's not that much of a surprise, but nevertheless, bigger volume, more participation in the market is always good for trading. So I'm not going to complain about that. Go for it. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index reaches highest level since 2021. What to expect next? That's what we're going to look at with the help of some technical analysis. No financial advice. We're only covering this for educational purposes. Spot Bitcoin ETFs accumulate 300k BTC as net inflow rises to, woo, that's a lot. I mean, for crypto. For legacy markets, it's not much. Bitcoin ETF witness explosive inflows, while BlackRock was great records everywhere. Here's where it starts getting funny. Analyst sets 2025 price target at 200,000. Should we just go ahead and set a price target for 2030 at 400,000? Pretty safe, right? I mean, there's a chance that it may happen or not. But since it's 6 years from now, nobody's going to care whether we set that price target or not. So, nice clickbait though. Veteran trader raises Bitcoin price forecast to 200,000 as BTC surges past 56,000. Really? You break 56K and the next thing you can think of is 200,000? I mean, what are you talking about, dude? There is a monthly level in the way. Wake up and smell the coffee. What are you talking about? I find these news very, very, very clickbaity and, well, they just foment FOMO. And I think it's very important if you really want to be a successful trader to always be centered and not get carried away by any of this stuff, because that will destroy your account. Guaranteed. Now, there's no guarantees in trading except that you're going to destroy your account if you FOMO in all the time, all over the place. That's pretty much a guarantee. What we have here are two lines on the chart. One is that old weekly level from a few years ago, 50,776. And we've shown this on public streams before. I've shown you this level. We've talked about its importance. And look at what price did to this level. Valentine's Day, blast through it, backed this as support, backed this as support, backed this as support, and almost did it again. Now this, I'm going to tell you right off the bat, is horrible in terms of liquidity, because when you see bottoms like this, you know that there's tons of stop losses out there that can get easily triggered. This time they were not, and price just took off without a warning, just on the 26th of February, and up here we are. Now 26th, today's the 27th, so that was yesterday. So it's gone up almost 13% in about 24 hours. Okay? Fine. And what's coming up right now? The New York session. In 20 minutes, the New York Stock Exchange will open, and then we shall get a conclusion to this fantastic drama. Right now, as we speak, George is with Paul in a live trading session covering the action for this New York session, which will surely be very interesting. What was the point of all this? That weekly level held a support. That means higher prices are on the menu. Yeah, if this flips to resistance, if price does, let's say, come back down here and flips this to resistance, then we can start talking about bearish signs, but not up here. That is premature to say. What I can tell you though, however, and we've covered this in previous videos as well, the recent ones, that is a monthly level that has been untapped for quite a while. And that is a very, very possible price target. So that would be from where Bitcoin is right now, another 8%. Would I buy up here? No. Let me think about it. No. But what if no? And no. Just no. Why? Because it goes against my trading system. I don't buy things that have just gone up 12%. I like to buy retracements. I like to buy phases of maybe consolidation where I can have a nice risk-reward ratio, etc., etc. For trading purposes. Investing is a whole different story. That's not what we're talking about here today. For educational purposes, of course. Only paper trading if you don't know what you're doing. We're not financial advisor. Anyway, that old weekly level remains amazingly important. Yeah. If that is lost, then we can talk about bearishness. Otherwise, the path to that monthly level is open. However, note of caution, price did not stop here for no reason. This 57-58K area is also important. There is a very, very, very good old friend of mine residing at this area. A good old level that I just loved it when it appeared back then a few years ago. And now we're very close to it again. On top of that, there's another very important factor close to here. So what I'm doing is I'm keeping my guys and gals at Safehouse Vanguard updated about what these levels are, how price action is reacting to them. And even George and Paul are on it right now, covering the action on the local timeframes. And that means not just here 4 hour, it means 1 minute timeframes, it means trend reversal templates, it means anything that it takes to get a good reading of what's going on right now. And to be honest, if I zoom in like this, I am sure they're talking about this little local double top and how juicy that looks for another push to the upside. So if you're interested in that, join us on Discord. Let's go. We're waiting for you. Ooh, how much time I got? Okay. Gotta get ready for the New York session. I mean, I am ready, but yeah, I just gotta stop streaming and get into it. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like and subscribe button. That helps us a lot. And if you want some more, then get your 2-week free trial. Join us, check it out, and post your questions. All right, I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Tschüss.
Elevate your mastery in trading. Join the Safehouse Vanguard today.